So guys, this is the hair that my friend already made. It is 28 inches and it came with a frontal. And yeah, that's basically all I had to do was go there, and then she was gonna dye it. And I got the bowl from Sally's and the bleach powder, and of course the hair dyes that I wanted to use. So when I went to the store, I knew I didn't want just one type of red. I wanted different ones, like a bright red, burgundy. So I got these three colors. One was wild cherry, magenta, and crimson. I just mixed it. It's like a mixture of bright red and a dark red. And of course, I had to get peroxide and mixer for it as well. So she started off just mixing everything, and just to make a mix for the to bleach the hair. And of course she didn't make it too thick. It was just the right consistency so it would work. And she started just applying it to the hair as you normally do when you're bleaching hair. So once she started bleaching the hair, we can see that it was already changing color. And I said I didn't really want it to be really dark. I just want it to be kind of like a light blonde, so the red can show. And once she put that on, we left it for about 30 minutes, and she just began to wash it off and put some conditioner on it to make it a bit more softer. And I had to help out because this was taking ages. So now that the hair is done, she mixed all the three colors of the hair that I wanted. So the wild cherry, the magenta, and the crimson, she mixed it all together, and she just started putting it on the hair. And we just had to wait for the longer. I had to keep checking the color to see if I liked it and to see how long we would have to leave it on for, and so on. So because I wanted to keep the hair on me for quite a while, I didn't want to have to just take it off constantly. I just had her to glue it on my head properly, that to at least make it last a month or so. So she had to use got to be glue, and gelled my sides and used the wig cap, and she had to just put it on and sprayed it at the very top of my hair, if that makes sense. And then once that was done, she had to put so once that's done, she had to also spray the got to be spray on top of the wig cap so that it stays onto my head. So once my wig is put on my hair, it it will really stay. And she just used a hair dryer to dry it off. And after that, she just had to cut off the excess wig cap at the front so that it's nice and laid. So the wig is basically on my head now, and she's just trying to fit it to my size and to get my hairline correct and also to make it stick a lot more longer. And as I was washing, she literally did not have enough time to do a lot of things. So I just said, just glue everything on and I'll do the rest. I'll straighten it myself. And when I got home, I just started. Um, I already did wear it the night before, and I curled it a little bit, but not too much. That's why it's so wavy. So I just started curling it, and this is how I wore it to on this video.